Go on.
Hello, I would like to present myself. My name is Kristina Maria Tutska. I'm 19 years old. I was born in beautiful city Lviv, but now I live in Kyiv. I'm a student of National Aviation University and my specialization is ground maintenance of aircraft. So in future I will be aviation technician. I want to go to Germany this summer because I want to get work experience, meet new people, see Germany, its culture and landscapes, and also earn a little money. As for my interest, I'm interested in sports and travels. I write poetry and I like learn a new language. At this time I know English and Polish and try to learn German. I accustomed from childhood to work in the garden because my parents have a small garden plots. I have experience of growing different crops of fruits and vegetables and I like it. Last summer I worked in a children's recreation camp which is located near the Black City. If you have additional questions for me, I'm glad to answer you. Also ensure that if you choose me, you will be satisfied of your choice, because I'm punctual, purposeful and responsible person. Thanks for your attention.